Hello everyone, tonight is my wife's birthday and I decided to have a nice dinner at home. Obviously there's nowhere else to go, and there's one thing she's really crazy about is caviar. So we thought about organizing this dinner with caviar. But not only caviar, there's imperial caviar, which is supplied by imperial caviar people. They supply it in our shop. So obviously I got it at a good price, and so we'll have that with this. It's like an Italian champagne. It's not champagne, but it's made the same way as champagne. It's from Franciacorta, Antica Fratta, that we sell in our shop for £27. It's a great sparkling wine. As I said again, it's like champagne. After the caviar with a little toast and butter, we're going to have this traditional Sardinian treat. This is this recipe comes from a small village in Sardinia, and it's made with this delicious smoked ricotta. But again, all the stuff I'm telling you about that is on the table are really, you can find everything in a shop. So that's ricotta. It's an amazing silky smoked ricotta, soft. And it's on a bed of Carasau bread, this one, Sardinian bread, and with a drizzle of olive oil, shaved bottarga, I use a shaver, and some grated one on top, a little bit of black pepper, and we'll have that with a glass of this Giganti white. This is one of my old favorite white wine. Again, we sell in our shop. This is a blend of Vernaccia and Vermentino, aged in oak, and it has a sort of vanilla taste, and it's very rich and full body, which complements this dish very well. And it's a bit like a French Burgundy. It's a really good white wine. So that's it. So I'll drink to that, and I wish my wife happy birthday. Thank you.